Today we are making this beat. If you're 90s, you definitely know this beat. If you're not, I don't know. Now I'm gonna show you how I sampled this 90s song. But before we begin, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now first I'm gonna add this song right here. This dalom kids, forgive me. And then I'm gonna cut this, make it small, and cut this part again and delete this part.
Now as you can see, the BPM is on 112. You should put it on 112. Nice.
Now I'm gonna go look for Nkosazana and put it right here. And I do the same thing too on this Nkosazana shaker and drums loop. Cut it and then move it to the side and cut this part too and delete it. Delete this part. Now it sounds great, right? But we're gonna add some more. Let's cut this part right here. Make it short. That one got so much going on. So now we're gonna go look for shaker. Yeah, I'm gonna use that one. So on this one we're gonna make it short and duplicate it. Make 2 more of those shakers on this loop. Paste it right here and paste it again. Now I'm not gonna explain no more. You just watch and learn. Don't go.